What in the hell is going on? Blah, 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 blah. Let me re-say that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another hijab tutorial, but this time I'll be doing a crinkled scarf hijab tutorial. So I'll be doing a few hijab styles, but the twist to this tutorial is that it will be with no pins at all. So the thing is with these crinkled scarves, they tend to hold pretty well. They don't tend to slip that much compared to the chiffon scarf. So I'll be doing a couple of styles without any pins. So if you want to see how to do those, then keep watching. So style number one is the side turban. So this one is, as I said with my previous video as well, it's a turban style that's like an easier version of the harder turban style, if that makes sense. So I just do it like a way that's not traditionally done. So with the crinkled scarves, they tend to be really long. So make sure at the start that you part them into two pieces. So one on the left and one on the right, and then make one of them shorter than the other. It doesn't matter which one, it's just customized to your own liking. And make the left side shorter. So I'm just going to bring the left side over to the right side by holding this down and then bringing it over to the left side, and if it does that, just bring it down a little bit, just like that. And now you've got the two pieces on the same side. So both of these are on the right side at the moment. And now that you have both of the pieces on the right side, then you grab the piece that you got from the left side, which is this one. Grab your left hand, put it on the right piece, and then make a loop like that. Put your hand through and grab that same scarf piece and pull it through the loop, and then tighten the end. So all you do after that is you grab this piece, chuck it at the back, and then just tidy the scarf. So bring it up a little bit, place it down, and then that is the first hijab style. So that's style number one. Now for style number two. So for this hijab style, we're going to grab both pieces that we've parted. So we've got a left piece and a right piece. And this time we're going to make the right piece shorter than the left piece. And all we're going to do is grab the right piece like this. And the fabric that's inside, we're just going to turn this over and then bring it around. And then start to pull on both sides a little bit so that it's a bit more open. And then I usually like to point it at the top. And this is style number two. For hijab style number three, the first thing that I've done is folded the scarf in half. So instead of the scarf having the crinkles at the front, I folded the scarf so that the folded edges are now on top of my head. So it gives you a more cleaner look. So for both of the styles that we've done, now we can do them without the crinkles. So we part the scarves in two sides, and then we grab the left piece, hold on to it, and then turn it over. So now that both of the pieces are on the right side, we just do what we did before. So you simply grab your left hand, hold on to the right piece, grab the left piece, turn it over, and then make a loop with your hand. So you're grabbing the right piece and then you put it through the loop. So you're grabbing this piece and then putting it through the loop and then tightening it, and then simply throwing the other piece at the back. So this is the third style. And once we've folded the scarf as well, we can do the second style with this same kind of technique. So we grab the right side and we simply just turn it over our shoulder. And then I just like to adjust the scarf a little bit. So pull down and then move the scarf around to my liking. And then that is the fourth style. So for the fifth style, we'll also be leaving the scarf folded. So on our head, we also have the right piece and the left piece separated. Instead of putting the right piece over our shoulder, we'll be putting it under the left piece. So we're going to grab both of the sides and then pull up the left piece and then grab the right piece and simply throw it over. So instead we have the left piece flowing and then the right piece tucked under. So this is the fifth style.
So
Oh, that's my cat at the back. Say hi. She always likes to come in the room when I'm making a video. And can you guys hear those birds? Like, I want to tell you now, it's like around 6 o'clock and we have birds chirping like it's 6 a.m. in the morning, but it's 6 p.m. So I don't know if that makes sense. So for the sixth style, hopefully I've actually counted right this time. So you grab both of the sides, bring them to the back. I don't know what my cat's doing. So tie both of the ends together like shoelaces. Hopefully I can get this right. Can't really see. So tie it like that. So after you've tied both of the ends like that, bring the scarf down a little bit if it tends to move. And then once you've tied the two ends together, grab the left piece, put the two ends like this together and then over your head. So put the first piece over your head and then tuck in any loose ends. So I just like to tuck it in to the back and then grab the second piece, even though that piece is kind of coming out. Grab the second piece and literally do the same thing. So this is just the turban with the crinkled scarf. So for the 7th style, we're literally going to do what we did before. So we're going to grab both of the sides, we're going to tie them together from the back, bring both of the sides to the front and loosen the two ends at the front a bit more so they frame our face a little bit, not really. And I do recommend wearing earrings with this style because it looks cuter, I reckon. But this is the 7th style. So for the 8th style, it can literally just be leaving the two pieces out and letting them flow. And this actually is really cute. I've seen a couple of girls do it and they just let it sit like this whilst it's actually folded and it just flows really cute. And when you take photos, it like frames your face really well. And you can also just put one of these strands at the back so then it just looks like that. So for the 9th style, we have to separate both these sides again and we're going to make the left side shorter than the right side and we're going to grab the right piece and then we're going to wrap it over our head and then just bring it forward a little bit. So bring this back and then bring this more forward like this. And you can pin this down, but this is a no pin kind of look. This is the 9th style. So for the 10th style, we're going to reopen the scarf and then we're going to grab the end of one side, so the other crinkly bit, and we're going to bring that over like this. So we're going to grab the whole entire side, flip it over our head and then just straighten everything. So then we have both of the crinkly ends framing our face. And then this is honestly just for the look of it. If you like having these frays around your face, this is what I like to do. And then simply grab both of the edges and then place them under the scarf. And then that is the 10th look. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification button so you get a notification every single time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments below any video ideas that you guys would want me to do, and I hope to see you in my next video.